there, Suppers! How's it going? I'm about to share how I embarked on my SAP BTP journey, or should I say, my journey with the old SAP Cloud Platform. In between us, was it that accurate name than the current BTP, which stands for Business Technology Platform, right? But before diving into my story, could you support my free SAP content by subscribing to the channel? Let's hit 10,000 subscribers before SAP's anniversary in April. So, ready to dive deeper into SAP BTP and quick start your learning journey? Let's roll! Back in 2019, I was being groomed to become an SAP MM functional consultant through an SAP Academy funded by my company, but it just wasn't clicking for me. I've always been a tech at heart, dabbling in PIXI, WebDynamo Java, WebDynamo ABAP, and Classic ABAP since 2012, so moving to SAP MM felt like a step in the wrong direction, of course. However, on my last day at the SAP MM Academy, my boss's boss threw me a curveball. He asked if I was up for a new challenge, a techno one, he assured. It felt like my prayers were being answered. He introduced me to this thing called the SAP, which we had for about 2 years but hadn't really explored or configured. That's when my SAP saga began. I scoured the internet for anything SAP, hunt down tutorials. Remember, I was the fluent in English back in 2019. The language barrier made things tougher, but I navigated through it. I also explored every nook and cranny of our global accounting, clicking every menu item to grasp its purpose. Fast forward to months, and I had all development, quality, and production environments up and running with free applications. I'm very proud about that. Guys, learning SAP was no walk in the park back then. Nearly 5 years ago doesn't seem that long, right? But today we're spoiled for choice with documentation, step-by-step tutorials, shared knowledge, video lessons, and so on. In this video, I'll show you 10 spots where you can soak up all things SAP BTP. SAP official website, your first stop for product info, documentation, news, and resources. SAP community, a hub for SAP pros to network, share insights, and access a wealth of resources. SAP Help Portal, the go-to for comprehensive documentation and guides. SAP blogs, where SAP experts spill their secrets and share best practices. SAP For Me, a digital companion offering a single access point for important alerts, metrics, and insights about your SAP product portfolio. SAP YouTube channel, home to tutorials, success stories, and demos. SAP Learning Hub, an official platform bring with training materials, courses, and certifications. SAP News, keep up with the latest SAP innovations and updates. SAP Developer Center, a treasure trove of developer insights on SAP products and solutions. OpenSAP, last but not least, OpenSAP was my lifesaver. You understand the basics. Now there is Learning SAP, a newer site by SAP for centralized learning. Loads to explore, right? Stay focused and you will get there. And right here on my YouTube channel, you will find plenty of news and tutorials on SAP technologies, especially my favorite, SAP BTP, of course. Hit like to unlock the next video in our free SAP BTP course, where I will break down the basics and show you how to set up a trial account. Deal? Thanks for sticking around to the end. I am Fabiana Bacon. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments what else you're curious about SAP. I can bring in experts to clear up any doubts. Take care and see you in the next video. Bye!